Hello students and welcome back. This is Swati and today I will be teaching you class 3rd English grammar chapter number 23 short forms. Students, short forms are really important in English language as a lot of words are there of which we create short forms and make the sentences. Words like I will, he is, you are, is not, are not, do not, will not, does not, etc. All of them are converted into short forms in English. But how to use these short forms and how to make short forms, let us understand that better. So first of all, look at the words I am. I am can be written in short form as I, am. We are can be written as we, re. He is can be written as he, s, and you will can be written as you, ll. So what is common here, students, in this short form, that we take the first word as it is. In I am we have taken I as it is, in he is we have taken he as it is, in we are we have taken we as it is, and in you will we have taken you as it is. We have not removed anything or not made short form of the first word. We have made a short form from the second word. In I am, I have removed a from m and only m is left. So the short form of I am is I, m. A is removed. Similarly, in we are, in the second word are, a has been removed and only re is left. So that is the short form of we are, we, re. In he is, in is, the second word I has been removed. So the short form is he, s. And in you will, in the second word will, w and I is removed. So only double L, you, double L is the short form. Here some words have been given to match from their short forms. So I am has been already matched with I, m. You are with you, re. She is with she, s. He will be matched with he, double L. We are with we, re, and they will with they, double L. These all are the short form of these words. There are some more words, students, where the short forms are used. Like is not. Is not is written as isn't. I as n, t. This is the short form of is not. So again we have taken the first word is completely, and from the second word what we have done, we have taken n and t. O we have removed. We have taken is n, t. This is the short form of is not. Isn't it? Do not is written as don't. We have taken the first one do, and then from the second again we have not taken o. We have taken n, t. This is the short form of do not. So is not is written as isn't, do not is written as don't, does not is written as doesn't, have not is written as haven't, are not is written as aren't, will not will be written as won't, did not is written as didn't, and had not is written as hadn't. In all of them we have taken the first word completely. We have not left any spaces, and then we have not taken the o from not. We have only taken n and t. In all of these words we have taken a comma in between n and t. So this is how the short forms are created. For the words like I will, he is, you are, a different concept is used for making the short forms, and in the words like is not, do not, does not, different concept is used. In I will, he is, you are, we are using the spaces between the two words. We have written I, m, he, is. So after the first word a comma is coming. If you will notice, in I am, first word is I. After that the comma is applied. In the words he is, after full word he, a comma is applied and then s is there. But in the words like is not and do not, a comma is applied between n and t. It is not between the first and the second word. It is between n and t in all of the above. Another difference between both of them is that in we are, you will, he is, we have used comma in between first word and the second word. Like for example, in he is, the short form is he comma s. In we are, it is we comma re. So the inverted comma is between the two words. But in is not, do not, does not, it is between n and t. Always, whenever a short form is created for is not, do not, does not, have not, any of these not words, then in them we can see that o is removed and the inverted comma is between n and t, and there is no space in between other than this comma. So this is the major difference. And students, this is all in this chapter which we have covered. Now there is the PDF for the exercises. Try to do these exercises yourself, as the short forms are very easy. In case you find any doubts, then you can take the help of the PDF or you can reach out to me. Thank you.